Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So yesterday we were practicing the exercises for a grammar, that is sentence rearrangement. So today also we'll be doing few more exercises, and after the grammar portion, I'm planning to start with the revision for you. Okay? Did you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We have finished from the literature, we have finished 4 chapters and grammar 1 topic. So after that, we will be starting with the revision. Okay. So come to my class prepared accordingly. We will start with the first chapter, the little girl. So in the next class, we will be revising the chapter, little girl. So you have to go through the chapter, prepare it and come. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's do the exercises. Be ready with your notebook. Write down the question. Okay. Let the easy board get loaded. Please wait for a second. Usually you will get this grammar, that is sentence rearrangement, for 4 marks. Okay, now we are practicing it separately, that is sentence by sentence. But for an exam, you may find that a paragraph will be given. Okay, a paragraph, that is a single paragraph which is divided into 4 parts, A, B, C, D, like that. And you have to make it into a meaningful sentence. So write down the first question. We are going to rearrange these jumbled phrases into a meaningful one. Most patients with slash require slash multiple drugs slash 2 slash high BP slash keep it under control. Keep it under control. So make it fast to rearrange the sentence. The first one, most patients with slash require slash multiple drugs slash 2 slash high BP slash keep it under control. Yes, Shania finished? Very good. Who else has got? Yes, Sean also. Good, good. Has anyone finished? Shania, Sean,
Ma'am, over.
Still, Sriram.
Ma'am, over.
Very good.
I'm finished.
Towel, Srihari, Ashik. Good. Girls, you're a bit slow. You're a bit slow in rearranging. Make it fast. Okay, Jarlin, good.
Ma'am.
Do it fast. Shall we discuss? How many of you have to get? Atulya, Anjali Priya, Revu, Elsa. Okay, Elsa has got the answer. Gauri, Sania. Okay, I think we can discuss without wasting much time. We can discuss. So, well,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me how to rearrange. Which comes first?
Most patients with
Yes, first part. Most patients with?
multiple drugs.
Most patients with? What comes next? Huh?
High
So,
BP.
I think Sowell has got a confusion in between. Sean? Sean?
Yes, ma'am.
First part, what Sowell said is correct. Most patients with. Come on,
High BP.
rearrange it.
High BP
Yes, most patients with high BP. Second, then
require
require
multiple drugs
multiple drugs
to
to.
keep it under control.
Yes, very good. So the sentence will be, I'm not going to write it, but I'll read it. Most patients with high BP require multiple drugs to keep it under control. Did all of you got it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about the girls? Gauri, Sania and all? Boys are very quick in rearranging. Very good. What about the girls? Lakshmi, Jaslyn? I will be removing you all within few seconds. Okay, those who are not visible on the screen, I'll be removing you without any more warning. Okay, let's do the second. Write down. Against government. Write down the second. Against government slash. That is why slash I raised slash they arrested slash me slash my voice. Okay, this is the second sentence. Against government, that is why slash I raised slash they arrested slash me slash my voice. Come on, make it fast.
Ma'am, over.
Okay, Justin has finished. Very good.
Ma'am, over.
Can you just
Ma'am, over.
show me a hand symbol? Those who have completed, can you just show me a hand symbol? Okay, Gavri finished. Amrin got the answer. Sriram. Anthony Maxi, okay, good. Sania, come on, make it fast. Fast. Anandu. Then who else? Let me see. Kshetra. Elsa. You can easily fetch 4 marks if you make this sentence rearrangement correctly. Abin, still working on it? Got it. Good. Ashik, what about you? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Atulya, Anjali Priya. Got it correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we discuss? Shania, read it out in the correct way. What comes first? Shania.
Ma'am,
Yes.
against government.
This time, I have changed the order.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I raised my voice against government.
Yes.
That
So
is
what
why
comes first?
I raised the government.
I raised. Okay. Next.
My voice.
My voice. Okay. Second phrase. Then.
Against government.
Against government. Okay.
That is why they
That is why.
they arrested me.
That is why They arrested
Me.
me. Very good. Now it is correct. So children, don't expect that the first part of the sentence will be the same when you rearrange also. It can get in a twisted manner. Okay. So in the previous example, you find that the first part was the same when you rearranged. But in this example, I have just twisted the order. So the order goes like this. I raised my voice against the government. That is why they arrested me. All of you got it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next exercise. Write down. Third question. Called slash band slash also slash in the slash the party slash district slash for that's it. Called slash band slash also slash in the slash the party slash district slash for a. Yes. Yes. Come on, do it fast. Read it twice or thrice. Try to get the meaning, then quickly put it together in the correct form. I hope all of you have written down the question. Haven't you? Yes. Did anyone get the answer? Please give a thumbs up. Yes, who got the answer? Who got the answer? Okay, Arun. Very good, Arun. Come on, make it fast. This sentence is a tough one for you. Everyone is thinking so deeply. Only Arun got the answer. Make it fast. Yes, Sean also finished. Very good. Bastin, you're not visible on the screen. Switch on your video. Jaslyn? Jaslyn, where are you? I cannot see any symbol here. No video, no audio, nothing. Children, did you all finish? Unmute and give me your response. Only 2 of you have completed.
I have got a confusion.
Okay, so here is confused. Anyway, whatever it is, you write now. We will be discussing the answer. Sean? In between, hiding. Nobody is allowed to hide in my class, okay? Remain where you are until the session gets over. And Anandu also finished. Okay, I think we can discuss the answer. This time only very few got it correct. Let me see. Anandu, read out your answer.
The party also called for a bunch in the district.
Very good, very good. The party. The first phrase is the party.
The party
Yes, the party. Next one.
All-
Also
called
called. Third one called.
for a bunch
For a fourth one. Fifth Bandh.
in the district.
Next in the district. Very good, Anandu. Correct. The party also called for a Bandh in the district. Okay. So those who did not get, just copy down the answer. Now we will move on to the next question. Even the greatest slash accomplish slash fool slash whereafter slash can slash a task slash if it slash his or her heart. Okay, just a minute. His or her heart. Yes, this is the sentence. Even the greatest slash accomplice slash fool slash whereafter slash can slash a task slash if it slash his or her heart. Just try and see whether you are able to rearrange this one. I hope all of you have written down the question. Yes?
I finished.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Karthik finished. Srihari
Ma'am, I
finished.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Eben also finished. Good, good.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Arun also. Good. Hmm. Girls, I'm not getting response from girls. Do it fast. Yes, Sean also finished. Good. Dominic, Shania, Karthik. You are not visible for me. I will not spare you. Every now and then I'll be calling your names if you're not there on the screen. Dominic, where are you? Finished? So well, Anandu, Bastin, Allah and Eben, why are you sitting in the dark? Huh? Come to the light. Both of you are sitting very comfortably in the dark. Allah. Okay, so well finished. Elsa, Gauri. Okay, Emran also got the answer. Good. Shall we discuss?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
need a few more minutes? Okay. So this time, who is going to give me the answer? Anthony, did you get the answer correct?
no,
Okay. Emran will give the answer. Emran,
Ma'am, I got a confusion, ma'am.
you got confused. Okay, somebody without confusion.
Ma'am,
Yes, Srihari?
ma'am, first one, even the greatest.
Yes, correct. Even the greatest.
Ma'am,
Second?
second one, full.
Yeah, fool. Okay, even the greatest fool.
Can, third.
Yes, very good. Can. Third.
Accomplish, fourth.
Accomplish. Fourth. Even the greatest fool can accomplish.
A task, fifth.
Good, good. A task. Fifth one, a task.
Ma'am, fifth, sixth one.
Yes, perfect. A fit. Mm.
Whereafter, seventh one.
Thereafter, seventh one.
Ma'am, his heart or her heart, eighth
Very
one.
good, very good. Perfect answer. Even the greatest fool can accomplish a task if it were after his or her heart. Very good. I hope others also got the answer. How many of you find it very difficult to get the answer? Hmm? Shall we move on to the next exercise?
Ma'am,
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to erase this. I hope everyone has taken it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. Next. Next question. Love slash of others slash good manners slash and slash win the slash respect. Now I'm going to give you as a kind of a paragraph, okay? You start doing with the first one. I'll be writing the next part of it. And let me see who is going to finish it off first. When slash best slash they can slash 1s slash be learned slash young. So all these sentences are going to be one paragraph. Boston, Anthony, Maxi, Dominic, Jocelyn, you're not visible.
first one, finish.
Oh, good.
First one finished.
Oh, good, 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 good. Srihari,
finish.
good, Justin. Very good. So this is going to be a paragraph and you're going to arrange it to make it meaningful. So for exam, you will be given exercises like this. Okay, 3 or 4 sentences will be given together so as to make it into a meaningful paragraph. Saves a slash, turns away, slash, soft answer,
1 second 1 hour.
good, slash, anchor, slash, and slash, a pitfall, slash, from many. Okay. I have 2 more sentences to give you after this. You quickly write down the question first. A, B, C, D, and E. We have 2 more sentences to make it into a short paragraph. Have you all finished writing down the question?
Ma'am,
Okay, right. First sentence, love slash of others slash good manners slash and slash win the slash respect. Second sentence, when slash best slash they can slash 1s slash be learned slash young. Third sentence, saves us slash turns away slash soft answer slash anchor slash and slash a pitfall slash from many. I think I can move the screen a little bit up so that I can write the remaining also. Is this okay, children? Yes? Okay. D. Who S slash strangers slash respectful slash a person slash even slash like. Then last sentence, sure slash in life slash they slash passport slash r slash a slash for success. Yes. So we have in total 5 sentences to make it into a complete meaningful paragraph. The phrases in all these sentences are given in a jumbled form. You have to rearrange it. Hmm. Have you all written down the question? The sentences are over. How many of you got the first sentence done? Did anyone get the first sentence correctly? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Sean got it. Justin got it correct. Then who else? Sri Hari. Arun, good. Girls, come on. Okay, Kshetra. Emrin. Okay. Gauri, Revu, what about you? Did you get any sentence correctly? Each sentence carries 1 mark. That is how the marks will be distributed for the exam. So you have to make sure that not to add anything and not to omit anything. I hope everyone wrote down the questions. Has anyone got the complete sentences meaningful into a paragraph?
I can show the question once more.
Yes, I will show you. Do you want to see the first part of it?
My last one.
Okay, last. Here it is. It's there on the screen. Take it down fast. Read it and try to arrange it in a meaningful way. So 5 sentences are given and one by one you have to arrange. Shall we discuss the first sentence? I
Yes,
thought
ma'am.
Some of you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
it correct. First one. So we will discuss the first. Yes. Who's going to tell me the first one?
Ma'am,
Girls, did you get the answer correct? Any one of you? Boys are very quick in finding it out. I need response from girls. Sania? Yes. Give me the answer for the first one.
Good manners and respect win the love
Good
of
manners and
respect
respect.
win the
Mm.
love of others.
Okay. Has anyone got it in a different way? Come on, boys. Sean,
Good manners
Srihari.
and love win the respect of others.
Sean, once again.
Good manners and love win the respect of others.
Good manners and love win the respect of others. Sania told me that good manners and respect win the love of others. Okay, any other different answer? Come on, it's almost time for us to wind up the session. At least I'll do the first one for you, and the remaining sentences will be a homework. Okay? Srihari, what about you?
ma'am, I got as shown.
You got the same as Sean. Okay, I think you are a bit confused. Eben?
Ma'am, I think Sania's is correct.
Emrin? Did you get a different answer?
Ma'am, I got which sound got?
Okay. So I think none of you have got the answer correct. We will see. The first one is good manners. Okay, first one, good manners. The second, win the. Good manners win the. Third, love. Fourth, and. Fifth, respect. Sixth, of others. Did anyone get the answer like this? Good manners win the love and respect of others. Did anyone get it correctly? Arun? Different. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so you have
Ma'am,
to
I
be
got
very. Who got?
Very.
Now, after discussing.
Ma'am, I already got.
Then why you did not read it out? I asked you, anyone has got the answer in a different way? Yes. So this is the correct order. Good manners win the love and respect of others. Okay. So 4 remaining sentences are there. Today you have to work at home and try to make it meaningful. All right. So that is going to be a homework for today.
Yes, ma'am.
It's almost time for us to wind up. In the next class, we'll be discussing the same and also the revision. Okay, we are going to start with the revision of the chapter, The Little Girl. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And during that time, if you have any doubts regarding the question answers, I'll be clearing all those things. I hope you have written the answers to all the questions that I sent through WhatsApp. That is my belief. Okay. So don't put me down. If anyone of you has to complete the answers, you have to sit and complete before I come in the next class. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you all. I'll meet
Thank
you in the
you,
next
ma'am.
class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.